Yeah, good evening, friends. We have with us Dr. Balakrishna P. Shetty. He is the Vice-Chancellor of one of the very renowned institutions of South India, Sri Siddhartha Academy of Higher Education from Tumkur. I welcome you at today's forum, Balakrishna sir.
Thank you, Chandan, for organizing this meeting, which will be very useful for our students and faculty members.
Yes.
And this meeting where you have organized so many vice-chancellors, so many educationists, I think it will go a great way for further education, technology and digital learning.
Yes. So, during this last few years of struggling times, how have your university under your leadership sailed off, and how you have made the teaching learning process quite feasible for everybody?
We had two problems. One is we had a technical college as well as a medical college. As far as the technical college, doing online program, online education was very easy. Like technology students are so much enthusiastic, they could learn online. But as far as the medical college is considered, we had a tough time because a doctor has to see the patient. It cannot be done online, and also surgeries also cannot be done online. So talking to the patient, interacting with the patient, and examining the patient, all those things was a very tough time for our students during this COVID time. But somehow we managed by getting all those softwares where we can see the patient, we can see various diseases online, and also we can see something like artificial intelligence and augmented reality, virtual reality, all those some of the software which really helped our patients, especially our students. So our students could get virtual exposure to the patients. Of course, virtual exposure is not comparable to actual exposure. Actual exposure is mandatory. Interacting with the patient, looking at his eyes, talking to him, feeling him, touching him makes a great difference. But because of the digital innovations, digital advances, our students could get some sort of exposure in the last 2 years, that is 2019, and today we are in 2022. Still we are not sure whether another wave is going to come or not. But our students and faculty members lived up to that challenge, and we could produce best of the students, best of the doctors from our university.
Right. So, we would like to understand what is the focus of the university on skilling rather than the regular academics, regular courses.
Skilling is basically the skilling. It is easy to talk about skilling, from the President of India to even a student, and everybody talks about skilling, reskilling, upskilling. This is the buzzword going on everywhere. So skilling can happen only by including the students in each and every platform. Let us say today you have got a program, we'll call our students and ask them to do the program. Now let us say we had one program on drug abuse, and we asked the students to speak about it. Not the Vice-Chancellor will speak about it, not the faculty will speak about it, the students will speak about it. So skilling is, I feel, only one methodology. Involve the student in each and every program of the university, program of the institution. I heard there was one great innovative where one chief minister made one person chief minister for one day. Similarly, you should make student a faculty for a day, a HOD for a day, a principal for a day, or a vice chancellor for a day. That will be the great thing in skilling, not just by talking.
Absolutely, sir. Great thoughts. I would like to understand, sir, how does such kind of forums where you can see the amalgamation of government, academia and industry, how does it help a society at large?
It helps a lot because we keep speaking, because we are experts in giving suggestions and recommendations, but we are very, very poor in implementing. Implementations and sustainability is the biggest challenge for us. For that, there is innovation, there is involvement, there is a commitment, there is a moral responsibility for the teacher, faculty and students to do something. Then only I think something will happen. Otherwise, we will again become the clerks which were produced in the British government. The British wanted Indians to be only clerks, nothing but. They never wanted a skill because they had the technology there. They never wanted a skill to develop in India. So we need to have the inclusiveness. That is very important.
Nicely said. Correct, sir. I'm very glad to share that, sir. We have been struggling since last 1 year, but the journey of ArdorComm Media has been very exciting and very enthusiastic. And today we are celebrating the first anniversary of ArdorComm Media. Any message would you like to give to ArdorComm Media?
I've been attending so many higher education meetings, but I would like to say ArdorComm is something unique. I'm not saying because you are asking this question, but I've been experiencing the way the panels are conducted, the way the faculty members speak. Even sometimes I've seen today the student is speaking. So these are something different as far as ArdorComm is doing. So I request you to continue this, include as many students as possible, student representatives as possible, the stakeholders as much as possible, not only the Vice-Chancellor. So those who can, so that involvement, inclusiveness, innovations, the 3 I's is very, very important.
Well said, sir. We are so glad and honored that that you could manage your precious time to witness this event physically. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandan, for giving me a time, and not only for on behalf of all the students. I thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.